In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable notifications from eBay online shopping app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So in case you have been receiving a lot of shopping alerts or features alerts from this app and you wish to stop them, it's pretty simple. Just go to your app and long press on your app to access its app info page. So that's where we can do our settings. However, if you can see app info, you should see a settings gear here or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access eBay shopping app info page. Then go to permission section and under permissions look for notifications. As you can see, we have so many notifications turned on. To disable all these notifications such as the play sound, vibration notification, lock screen and many more, just toggle off this show notifications, and from now henceforth you never again receive notifications from eBay shopping app. So that's how you can permanently disable eBay shopping app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.